There's a bird stuck in the stairwell. Let's see if I can get it outside. We're close. Come on. There we go, we're close. There we go. No, don't go up. All right, I'm gonna have to get him in the hat, I think. Okay, got you. It's all right. I've got you. You are free to go. I don't know if he's injured or not. Looks okay. There you go, buddy. Be free. Awesome. So it's been about 5 minutes since I got the bird outside, and it flew over this bush as you saw, and it hasn't moved since then. I think it's better off out here than in there. I think it might just be exhausted, but you know, looking lively, hanging out under the flower bush in the shade. I think they'll be just all right. Yeah. He's fine.